guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. So today we will be doing an unboxing video since I'm starting cubing. So I brought my one of them's a Pyramix. So I got a 2x2, 3x3 and a Pyramix, and they're all speeds. So we'll go smallest to largest, 2x2. Alright, let's get this box open. Get that out. So this is the 2x2. Pretty loud. So it's a nice design. It looks normal. It is speedy. Yeah, I think the magnets aren't on properly, so that's why it's making the noise. Yeah, overall it's pretty good. Now, 3x3 speed cube, so you can flip the corners. Bit from here. Alright, so this 3x3 speed cube makes noise. So it's speedy. You can flip the corners. It's actually pretty good, but really speedy. But now I know why they're called speed cubes. Just kidding. Oh, so now we're gonna be doing this Pyramix. Let's open it up. So, it's my first ever Pyramix. It's my first 2x2, second 3x3, but first speed cube. Overall, pretty fast. I understand why I know why I call it speedy. Don't call it speedy for no reason. Take this off. Nope. So yeah, overall they're all pretty good. Good. Speedy. And yeah, that's basically it. So see you guys. Bye.